we're at Computex 2026 and we're at the ASRock group at Nangan, and we got some interesting products, and here we go. Cody's going to show us some of these new coolers. Let's go.
Alright, so from Computex we have two new models under the TAICHI series. The first one is a TAICHI 360 H0LO. 360
H0LO.
Yeah, so as you can see, the biggest highlight is on the water block. We have the floating 3D visual experience. So it's like a holographic lighting effect. So you can control the holographic through mobile software or PC software.
So I like this because this is a spinning kind of like almost like a fan blade, right? But of course it has the animation.
Yes, exactly.
Can you actually control the animation with the software, right?
Yes.
Excellent, excellent.
You can do customization, you can show system stats.
And I noticed you have a unibody for uniframe.
Unified frame.
For the fans.
So you can see we have ARGB around the frame.
Yeah, that's right. And also notice there's no other cable, so the cabling is coming through.
Only one cables come out here.
Going through there.
Connect to your motherboard.
All right. So we saw this kind of concept at CES, right? So now we have a product. And, when can we expect this to be on the market?
We expect it will be available in the market in like Q3.
Q3, Q4, that's okay. That's really good. I love this because you have this really nice holographic effect and it has all these lights.
Yes, and we are planning to make this changeable. It is magnetic, so
so you can change this.
Yes, users can design and like
you can have like 3D printed like designs. So you can just, this is magnetic, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. You could just do that. And it's on both sides, or
both sides, but we stick it.
All right. Okay. Nice.
Yes, and for this model, we are using the Aztec MRV2 cooling pump.
Also, new pump.
Yes, this is how it looks like when it stops spinning.
All right, so this is the H0LO kind of. Well, this is the H0LO effect.
Yeah,
right?
we still have some like the logo on it. Looks more
so this
premium.
spins and then produces the actual image.
Yes.
Okay. And the pump is obviously separate from this. You just attach it.
The pump is on this here.
It's the pump right there. Okay.
And we also have VRM fan inside it.
A VRM fan inside?
Yes.
So, wow, you've got a fan inside, you've got the pump, and also this holographic design there. Uses the usual, is that USB?
Yes, this USB? is to read the system stats.
Yeah, and also the usual 4-pin PWM there. All right, excellent. Does it only spin one way, right, to get the image?
Yes.
Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. Well, the good thing about this is that you can actually, while it's spinning, it gives you airflow, extra airflow, which allows you to cooler VRMs and MOSFETs. Excellent.
And with 40mm thick radiator.
Yeah, I noticed it's a bigger radiator, so it's a nice thicker radiator.
So the cooling capacity is enough.
It's compatible with all the sockets for your motherboards. Okay, so this is the TAICHI 360 H0LO. So watch out for that in Q3 and Q4. And I think we saw the other coolers. I think we got this is the Phantom Gaming which we already reviewed. As you can see, this is really nice. You can take this off.
Yes, sure.
So you can see that. I can take this off. And you can see the fan built in there, and also these air vents which help cool the VRMs and MOSFETs. And you can just put this back here, so you can see all the LCD, all the stats for your system health. Excellent.